Welcome, everybody. My name is Joe Rosenbaum, and partner at Rimon Law Firm. I'm based in New York City, and I want to thank Lawline for hosting this CLE accredited presentation. What I'm going to do today is to take you through some of the updates that the Federal Trade Commission has been involved in issuing and enacting over the last year and a half, 2 years. Some of them date back to 2 years and have been updated recently. So to give you some idea of the range of topics that we're going to cover today, we're going to go through the endorsement guides, for which there were fairly significant changes and updates that were made, given the fact that there have been a lot of activity in the endorsement and influencer space. We'll talk about click to cancel, which is sometimes referred to as the negative option or recurring subscription rules. Some updates that they've made to the FTC's COPA rules relating to children. And then we'll kind of run through quickly some of the more recent changes to some of the individual, or the enactments of some of the individual things, some of which have actually been enacted and others are still pending, but I want to give everybody kind of a status update. So let's start with kind of the large portion of the presentation, which is the topic of endorsement guides. Most of you should already know what an endorsement is. Anything that is said by an individual consumer, expert, celebrity, and celebrity meaning, sports figure, talent, politician, anyone who would be recognizable and known by people who may not know them personally. Those are considered endorsements if they make statements or claims that relate to an advertiser, a brand, a product, a service. And the FTC has consistently held that the relevant criteria for determining whether something is or is not an endorsement is whether a consumer believes the statement actually reflects the views and that the individuals are being sponsored or have some connection to the sponsor when they make those statements. And as a kind of aside, clearly a celebrity can make an endorsement on their own, even without being sponsored.